Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best screen printing kit is probably one of the most versatile and rewarding tools for any aspiring artist or entrepreneur looking to bring their creative visions to life on fabric, paper, or other surfaces, offering a hands-on approach to creating professional quality designs with a unique, handcrafted aesthetic that mass production simply cannot replicate, making it an ideal choice for custom apparel, unique home decor, or even starting a small business. Number 5. Screen Mom Screen Cleaner Spray and Microfiber Cloth. Tired of streaky, smudged screens? Our advanced formula leaves your screens looking brand new with every clean. It ensures spotless clarity, enhancing your viewing experience without any residue. Protect your delicate screens with our included microfiber cloth. It glides smoothly, ensuring no scratches or abrasions. It's gentle enough for frequent use on all your devices. Our cleaner is completely free from alcohol and ammonia. You can use it confidently on all your electronics, including TVs, laptops, and tablets. Get hundreds of sprays from just one large bottle. This economical choice provides long-term use, saving you money and ensuring your screens stay pristine. This versatile cleaner works on a wide range of screens, from HD TVs and laptops to sensitive smartphone displays. It safely tackles fingerprints, dust, and smudges without damage. What we like. This screen cleaner offers a streak-free, crystal-clear finish without any harsh chemicals. It comes with a gentle microfiber cloth to ensure your screens are never scratched. If you have a lot of delicate electronic screens at home or in a high-traffic area, this is the perfect solution for maintaining pristine clarity. What people say. This kit is great for beginners and comes with everything you need to get started. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even if you have no prior screen printing experience. The quality of the prints is excellent, with sharp lines and vibrant colors. Number 4. Speedball Fabric Screen Printing Ink Starter Set. Unleash your creativity with 6 essential, vibrant colors. Mix them together to create an endless spectrum of custom shades for any project. Experience effortless printing with our water-based formula. It applies smoothly for consistent results every time, with easy cleanup using just soap and water. Achieve long-lasting durability that outshines vinyl or paint. It's perfect for a wide range of fabrics, paper, and cardboard. Print with confidence knowing these inks are AP certified non-toxic. They are safe for use in studios and classrooms alike. Proudly made in the USA, these inks are the result of over 75 years of innovation. We are committed to consistency and quality in every batch. We're always improving our packaging for better durability and sustainability. You'll receive the same high-quality product, possibly in updated containers. What we like. This set provides 6 vibrant, easy-to-mix colors that are water-based for smooth application and easy cleanup. The ink becomes permanent after heat setting, ensuring durability on various fabrics. If you're a beginner or a seasoned pro looking for reliable, non-toxic fabric inks for t-shirts and other textiles, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The kit comes with a detailed instruction manual that makes it easy to set up and use, even for beginners. The screen printing frames are sturdy and well-made, ensuring consistent results. The included squeegee is high quality and provides smooth ink application. Number 3. Caydo 23 Pieces Screen Printing Starter Kit. Unleash your creativity with this comprehensive 23-piece screen printing starter kit. It includes everything you need to begin your printing journey right away. This kit comes with 3 different sizes of screen printing frames, allowing you to tackle projects of various scales. You can choose the perfect size for any design you have in mind. Achieve smooth and consistent prints with the included squeegees. They are designed for easy operation and provide stable printing effects, suitable for both large screens and smaller details. Easily transfer your unique designs onto screens using the A4 size transparency film. This essential component helps bring your artistic visions to life with precision. The kit also features practical accessories like wood sticks and an ink knife for effortless ink and emulsion mixing. Plus, the masking tape ensures clean edges and easy application. Decorate t-shirts, tote bags, and more with your custom designs. This kit is perfect for beginners and families looking for a fun and engaging at-home activity. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes 3 different sizes of wooden screen frames, along with squeegees, transparency film, and other essential accessories for immediate use. It's designed for versatility, allowing you to print on various items like t-shirts and tote bags. If you're looking for a complete, beginner-friendly package to start your DIY screen printing projects at home, this set has everything you need. What people say. The kit includes a variety of screen sizes and mesh counts, offering versatility for different printing projects. The emulsion is easy to coat and expose, resulting in crisp and detailed prints. The squeegee has a comfortable grip and applies ink evenly, which is crucial for professional-looking results. Number 2. Speedball Advanced All-in-One Screen Printing Kit. Ready to master the photo emulsion method? This kit is your perfect starting point for professional quality screen printing. This comprehensive kit includes all the essential tools, inks, and even the light source for exposing your screens. You'll have everything you need to get started right away. Forget about needing a darkroom. With the included components, exposing your screens at home is simple and convenient, letting you focus on your art. Bring your most detailed visions to life. It's designed to help you create screens from high-contrast images, perfect for sharp, professional results. This kit provides everything from the screen frame and squeegee to a variety of inks and the necessary chemicals for emulsion and removal. It's truly an all-in-one solution to turn your creative ideas into reality. You'll find a wooden screen frame, a textile squeegee, vibrant fabric inks, photo emulsion, sensitizer, and remover. It also comes with transparencies, a lamp, bulb, clamp, and instructions to guide you. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for those ready to explore the photo emulsion method of screen printing, even at home, thanks to the included LED UV exposure lamp. It contains all the necessary tools, inks, and the light source for exposing screens, making it perfect for detailed images. If you want to create intricate designs and are looking for a convenient, all-inclusive solution to get started with photo emulsion screen printing, this is the kit for you. What people say. The kit comes with everything you need to get started, including screens, emulsion, ink, and squeegees. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. The finished prints are high quality and professional looking. Number 1. Caydo 54-piece Screen Printing Kit. Discover the complete screen printing solution designed to bring your artistic visions to life. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need to get started. Achieve professional quality prints with our powerful 50W LED UV exposure light. Its stable design ensures even exposure, significantly reducing curing time for your emulsion. Experiment with 6 vibrant colors of high-quality screen printing ink. These inks are perfect for a wide range of fabrics, paper, and cardboard, offering excellent adhesion and coverage. Achieve smooth, uniform ink thickness with our photo emulsion and emulsion scoop coater. This combination ensures a professional finish on all your projects. Our sturdy, reusable wooden frames come in various sizes, perfectly complemented by different squeegees. This versatility allows you to tackle any screen printing project with ease. Save time and effort with this comprehensive kit, packed with all the essential accessories. It's ideal for beginners and enthusiasts looking to create custom t-shirts, tote bags, and more. What we like. This extensive kit provides a powerful 50W LED UV exposure light, photo emulsion, and all the accessories needed for a professional screen printing experience. It includes multiple frame sizes, inks, and an emulsion scoop coater for uniform ink thickness. If you are an enthusiast or beginner looking for a high-quality, feature-rich set to customize apparel and textiles with detailed designs, this kit offers great value and efficiency. What people say. This kit is a great way to start screen printing, with all the necessary tools included for beginners. The instructions provided are clear and easy to follow, making the setup and printing process straightforward. The quality of the prints produced is excellent, with sharp details and vibrant colors achievable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.